What's up, everyone? It's Kyle B, you know me, and I've got a brand new series for you called Bowling Better. It's a series dedicated to helping bowlers of all skill levels learn the basics and advanced techniques to becoming a better bowler. I've got a few shots warmed up just to show you where we're starting at, and while I explain what's going on in the series, I'm going to play a few shots from my friends from us out the other night. Today I'm bowling with my buddy PJ, John, and his wife, Ariel. Long story short, I bowled too much in my youth and basically stopped after high school. At my peak, I was bowling 7 days a week, Monday through Friday for school, Saturday morning league, and Sunday travel leagues. I was one of the top bowlers in state throughout high school, and I don't think that there's a house in New Jersey I haven't been to. It's been just about 9 years since I picked up a ball seriously. I mean, I'd go here and there with friends, but no more than once a year. Just about 6 weeks ago at this point, one of my friends asked me to join a league with them, and I was instantly hooked again. At that, just 2 weeks later, I joined another team on another night, and right now I'm subbing in a third. That being said, I noticed some things weren't right with my fundamentals, and I've been working on getting them fixed. I figured this series would be a great way, one, to watch myself bowl, looking for errors, and me to get an opportunity to knock off tasks on what I needed to get fixed. Luckily, my buddy PJ has caught the bowling bug himself and wants to learn as I reteach myself. So not only will I be relearning what I need to fix my game, I'm going to be helping PJ build up his, and the rest of you become better bowlers 1 week at a time. In this series, we'll go over a large variety of bowling, things from how to bowl, all the way to league etiquette, do's and don'ts, and much more. Although for now, to get rolling, I'm going to be focusing mainly on what we have trouble with the most. What PJ needs work on: sliding, timing, spare shooting, hand position, shooting a mark, posture, and hitting the ball. And things that I need to focus on are posture, bending my knee, sliding consistently. And just to give you a background on PJ, he's roughly a 101 average in our league right now. I can't wait to see what we got going with him for the next few weeks. PJ has never had a 200 game, and just after 1 week of working with him, he has a new high game of over 170. Write in the comments how long you think it'll take for him to get a 200. I'm betting in the next 2 weeks. Also, let me know what videos you would like and what you would need help with for me to cover in the future. Please sub to the channel, as we'll be uploading weekly to get me, you, and PJ on track to start bowling better. Again, thanks for stopping by. It's Kyle B, you know me, and I'll see you next week. Peace.